Hello students, how are you? Hope all are fit and fine. So we have completed our PT1 course. So from today we will start the PT2 course. So I'm going to start the chapter quadrilateral. Okay. So this is chapter number 8, quadrilateral. Okay. So you know what do you mean by quadrilateral and angle sum property for quadrilateral? No. So we have got in triangle that the sum of three angles is 180. In the similar way, in a quadrilateral, quadrilateral means what? It is a closed figure having four sides. No? And sides are always a straight line. Okay. So there should be four angles, and the sum of this four angles is 360 degree. That is the complete angle. It is called the angle sum property for the quadrilateral. Okay. And after this, you have got the definition of parallelogram. No. And how to prove a quadrilateral to be a parallelogram? Some conditions are there. Like in a quadrilateral, if one pair of opposite side is equal and parallel, then we can say this is a parallelogram. Now, if the opposite sides are equal, then also it is a parallelogram. Okay, some condition you should know. Okay, after this you see some definitions are there, like what is the definition of a square, what is the definition of rhombus, what is the definition of rectangle, what is the definition of kite, definition of trapezium. Okay, so these few definitions you should know. Okay, it is given in the textbook. Okay, you see and then remember the definitions. Okay, so just you see the main point is that all this square, rhombus and rectangle, okay, this all are the parallelogram. So first of all, you have to prove a quadrilateral. If it is given in the question it is a quadrilateral, then you need to prove it is a parallelogram. After this, moreover some conditions, then it will be a, suppose, rectangle, maybe a square, maybe a rhombus, like that. Okay. Some problems you will get in the exercise 8.1. Just you need to prove the definitions. Some property is satisfied. Okay. Then what is the name of this shape? Okay. So I am going to solve some problem from 8.1 exercise. Okay. So exercise 8.1. Okay. 8.1. Let's see the two number. The first number problem is very easy problem. In first number problem, what is given? The four angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio. The ratio is given 3:5:9:13. Then find the four angles. It's very obvious. So you take x with a common for both the for all the angles. Then sum of all this is 360 degree. Find out x. Then individually you find out all the angles. It's very easy. But two number problem, you see, it's very interesting problem. If the diagonal of a parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. So try to understand the question first. If the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then it is a rectangle. That means after proving, we will get one rectangle. Okay. So first you draw one rectangle. Okay. But you don't consider it is a rectangle. It is a parallelogram. As it is given in the question, it is a parallelogram. So now you see, if I draw here one parallelogram, like this, obviously this is not possible because their diagonals are equal. So in a parallelogram, the diagonals are equal, then we have to prove it is a rectangle. So better you draw one rectangle and consider it as a parallel. Okay. So let me draw this. Suppose this one is a Suppose A, B, C, D. Okay. So A, B, C, D I have drawn here. This is a parallelogram. Okay. This is a parallelogram having these diagonals AC and BD are equal. Okay, so what is given? That the description I think you can write that ABCD is a parallelogram, short form of this, and with AC equal to BD. Their diagonals are equal. No? So we are going to prove that ABCD is a rectangle. No? So to prove ABCD is a rectangle. No? Now, how to prove that? What is the definition of rectangle? First of all, it is a quadrilateral. No doubt ABCD is a quadrilateral. It is given obviously four sides having a four sides and all the sides are a straight line. Okay. After this, what? It is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. It is given. So no need to prove ABCD is a parallelogram. It is given. And all the angles are 90 degree. If you are able to prove that all angles are 90 degree, then we can say this ABCD is a rectangle. Now for which you see, suppose you are going to prove this angle is 90. So including this angle, take one triangle. So in triangle, suppose BAD and triangle, suppose this one. Okay. ABC. Try to prove they are congruent. Okay. What is given that you see? Okay. Very obvious. Suppose it is a parallelogram. So if parallelogram, then opposite sides are equal. Can I write this one equal to this one? Okay. So you see here that AD equal to BC and AB equal to AB is common, and moreover what is given that BD equals to AC. Now you see here if reason is 1, then within bracket you can write that ABCD is parallelogram. Okay, so this one is common, no doubt. It is the common side for both the triangle, and this one is given. So these are the reason. No? Now you see in this two triangle we have got the three conditions. Therefore, triangle BAD congruent to triangle ABC. By which property? All sides I have written here. Now, if congruent, then can I write angle DAB equal to angle CBA by CPCB? Okay. But these two angles are equal. We are going to prove this angle is 90 degrees. No. Now you see, obviously, since that AD parallel BC, so if this is the parallel, then sum of these two angles is 180 or not. If we consider AB as the transversal, so angle BAB plus angle CBA is 180 degree. Now these two angles are equal. So 2 times of angle, suppose BAB is 180 degree. That means angle DAB is 90 degree. Now you see that DAB is 90 degree. Now if this angle is 90, obviously this one 90. And ABCD is a parallelogram, and in a parallelogram the opposite angles are equal. That means this one 90, so C angle also 90, B 90, so D also 90. That means we have proved in a parallelogram the angles are 90. Now, so this is a rectangle. Okay, now some student can think, no, it may be a square. No, it is not possible, because you see, you can't say this AB equal to, suppose AD, all sides are equal. From this problem, any information you have, can you say this all sides are equal? No. Sorry. Okay. So this is a rectangle. Okay. Hope you understood this problem. So today just I have started the exercise. Okay. So I will not solve more problem today. So next day I will solve more 3 problems. So first you try to understand the what is the quadrilateral, then parallelogram, then some definitions, and then you go for the exercise. Some condition you should know, for which, that means how to prove a quadrilateral to be a parallelogram. That means what condition, if a quadrilateral satisfies, then we can say this is a parallelogram, or this is a, suppose, trapezium, this is a rhombus, this is a square. So first of all you should know the definitions. So the today's works I am giving you, that are to all the definitions you read it, and then you go for the exercise. Okay, so today stop here. Thanks for watching.